over 20 years, the Contractor Connection network has been performance-driven, growing from less than 500 contractors providing restoration services nationally to more than 6,000 contractors globally. We provide services to meet a range of industry needs, from day-to-day property claims to large loss and catastrophe response, from residential to commercial needs, from insurance repairs to property improvements. We're there for customers who need professional, reliable contractors they can trust. The Contractor Connection Network is able to do all of this and much more because of our commitment to quality, our ability to leverage technology, and our focus on performance goals and measurements. Your efforts to get connected have made us the premier contractors in the industry. You've helped us build a better connection. You've risen up to the challenges and been there when it counts. That's because you represent the very top performers in our industry, seizing the many learning opportunities that Contractor Connection makes available every year.
We truly recognize the value of Contractor Connection brings to the industry. There is not a single conversation I walk away from without mentioning and without being asked, hey, tell me about Contractor Connection.
Each year, we've grown together as we've learned from industry training, education, and network opportunities. We're grateful to you for being true partners on this journey of success.
For time, money, value, it's really the people that you're getting to connect with. And here we get to connect with key decision makers, and it's the largest of its kind in the industry. It's pretty much a no-brainer, it really is.
Coming here allows us to connect with all of our peers in the industry. We bounce ideas off of each other, learn everything that we can, and then we take it back to the rest of the group, and that's how we excel in this.
Being performance-driven means always growing, always expanding what's possible. So, as we celebrate over 20 years of Contractor Connection, we're more committed than ever to providing service providers with the tools and resources to keep performance at the heart of the restoration professional's DNA.
Flawless execution. Hey, what does that mean to you?
Don't be afraid to take on the impossible. There's all of the opportunities on the other side of impossible.
There's a lot of things changing in our industry right now. We're here to educate, and we're here to show the newest developments and technologies in our business.
I couldn't be any prouder of our network of 5,000 contractors, what you do as a network to ultimately be the ones to service the insurance carrier customers.
Every day, the Contractor Connection Network has the opportunity to elevate your performance, providing the highest quality repairs with accurate pricing and exceptional customer experiences to insurance carrier clients and their policyholders. Contractor Connection is here to ensure that the next 20 years are even more successful than the last. From our focus on service delivery enhancements to leveraging new technological opportunities, we're dedicated to elevating our performance to new heights. The Contractor Connection Network is committed to excellence by being performance-driven because what we do is important to restoring and enhancing lives.
Likability factor, the best kept secret in business. So can I ask you a rhetorical question? Have you hired likable people to work for you?
The word service, I don't think there can be anything greater in life is when we serve others. That's what you do. You bring a lot of peace and service to a lot of people.
We're all here for the same purpose, to better our business and to help as many people as we can.
Thank you for your partnership in the Contractor Connection Network, where we are helping the insurance and restoration industry serve their customers. Together, we'll remain quality-focused and performance-driven.